we are off and away. Where are we going?
To go get fenders.
Fenders. It's the day after Black Friday. So are you getting a Black Friday deal?
Yeah, I think so. For a real store and everything.
Really?
No.
Oh, I can't. Oh, I was gonna say I can't go to no store because I didn't bring my mask.
It's definitely not a store.
It's a sketchy human.
Sure, he's like one of us.
Maybe we'll get murdered. Maybe we won't.
I bought a set of exhaust manifolds off him a couple of years ago.
Oh, well, that's nice. Frankie, your ear. She's not gonna make it through the interview phase, I don't think. Hi. Well, we'll check in with you guys later. Actually, it's so icy. I should have filmed it, but it's so icy right now because it's actually a beautiful day out that Dan pulled the truck all the way up right to the house for me. So right to the front steps on the lawn, he pulled the truck up so I didn't slip and fall while I was getting in. Isn't that romantic?
Well, you had precious cargo.
Yes, that's true. Wow, you're gonna kill us. Oh, that was close. That escalated quickly.
Brakes didn't even lock up. You were fine.
I had no faith that you were gonna stop in time. None.
It's the brakes in this truck and everything.
Alright, well, we'll catch you guys later. Oh, look at this cutie pie. She likes this truck. Alright, so we got the fenders, and now we've spent 10 minutes trying to park the truck.
A little tight.
I'll turn this around so you guys can see what I have to deal with here. Don't hit my car!
I got on this go. Oh, garbage can, garbage can.
Oh my goodness. Oh, so now that I'm you fucking podcast. They're gonna have to take away your driver's license, you know. Doing this. Even Frankie's like, I'm over this. Okay, now just go straight. Now just go straight. No, straight.
Hey, I can still make it.
Straight.
Oh. Icy. Oh. How we do on your side?
You know, I think we've got plenty of room. Ooh, smoky. Oh, is she overheated? Or are those just the tires?
Tires.
Tires. That was fun.
That's a good time. All right, well, have a good weekend.
Okay, bye. Oh my gosh. Alright, Frankie. Let's blow this popsicle stand. Alright, so we're going to go move some cars around and stuff. But we went to the vet today. Miss Frankie had her booster shots, and Mr. Steve, who's all curled up. I don't want to bug him too much here, but there's a little... one of his toenails had ripped off a couple weeks ago. And we thought maybe it would get better on its own. It didn't, and now he has to have his little paw wrapped up for the next couple days and not to lick it, so that means... Well, it means when we go out and can't watch him, Buddy has to be in the cone of shame. And he really does not like it, but it's the only way to make sure he's not gonna lick it too much. Whoop. Also, why do they make these like so hard to put on? that's not the right hole. But that will do it. There we go. So there he is. Our little martini glass. Little bud, I'm sorry. He's not happy about it. But his tail's wagging, so it can't be all bad, right? Disclaimer, I realize I put it on inside out, so I have fixed it. Look at this little martini glass. Hey, honey. I know. Only for a couple days, though. Hopefully. All in all, though, he's not doing too bad with it, so that's good. Anyways, we're gonna go move this car, I guess. See you there. It's a nice car.
I think overbuilt. It was a bit of a hack, though.
Yeah, he probably should never build any more cars ever.
Yeah.
He did a real bad job of it. It only looks nice. Although I saw an interior that actually looked like really, really well done.
I like my cars, I like my women. Nice on the outside and broken on the inside. With a few miles on them. Know what I'm saying?
Gentlemen, that is not the way that your partner wants to be complimented.
And ladies.
And ladies. Nice on the outside, broken on the inside.
That's how they're affordable.
Oh, jeez. You're not making this any better.
Well, someone else gets them, screws them up, lets them rust, takes them all apart, leaves them for dead, and you swoop in and grab them. Bring them out to a nice movie, and they're yours forever.
Joke's on you, though. I am not inexpensive. Look at this little girl just sleeping. She sure likes this truck.
It's warm. She gets to sit on your lap.
Yeah. What's not to love about that? Well, on our way to the storage unit, so we'll see you probably on the way back from the storage unit. Oh, somebody said that I should end my clips because you go down, that I should end all of mine going up. Come on, Frankie. Back at the storage place. Well, one car has been traded for another, and we're just going on a little walk, except it's quite icy. We gotta get her some little booties. Hey, miss, why are you chewing your leash? Frankie, don't chew the leash. Guys, she's getting so big. Can't believe it. So big. So while I have your attention, I thought I would not explain, but just like an update on my own channel. So as you can see, it is wintertime, which means it is very, very cold, which means I don't love being outside as much in the garage. So obviously I'm still going to do garage things because that's like all we do. But I think you're going to just see more random videos on my channel. I really like playing video games. A fair few of you have asked me about the video games I play, so I think I'm going to start maybe live streaming some of those and just hanging out and chatting with people because I like to talk, as you all know. And then more cooking stuff because, you know, got to keep a man fed. And just more kind of whatever we're up to when we're up to it. So I think it's going to seem kind of random, but life is random. And yeah, so that's, I guess, what you can expect for the winter from my channel. And all the usual car stuff on DD Speed Shop. So there you go. Come on. So Frankie is now 3 months. Oh, she's relieving herself. I feel like y'all don't need to see that. 3 months, had her second, or I guess her third vet check today, her second one with us, and she's looking good. Living her best life. So, and she just likes to be a little explorer. So, I think I'm going to leave it there for this video. A bunch of random clips thrown together, but aren't they all? Alright, well, catch you guys later.